Draw me close, I wanna hear your heartbeat. I wanna feel your breath on my cheek. Pull me in, draw me closer, I wanna hear your heartbeat. I wanna feel your breath on my cheek. For I know that only you can satisfy me. Oh, I know I'm thirsty for your love, and I know you promised living water. So I am waiting for it to I am here, I am close. I want you to hear my heartbeat. I want you to feel my breath on your cheek. Oh, I long to hold you and to satisfy.
Hello. So if you watched my video a couple of weeks ago, you'll probably already know that I've been selling a few of my wardrobe pieces on eBay over the last month or so. I listed over 10 items and a lot of the items have actually already sold. So I have pretty much just spent the morning packaging up all the orders and just getting ready to send them out to you guys. eBay offers a few great options that you can use to send your items, but my go-to is Sendle, which is a fantastic printer-free option for people like me who are selling quite a few items. The Sendle courier will actually pick up the parcel directly from your house, making the shipping process super easy, and the whole experience is very straightforward, easy to use, and everything is managed through your eBay account. So in case any of you are also considering selling some of your items on eBay, I just want to share with you guys a few tips that I found really helpful in the selling process. Aside from ensuring that you shoot your items in nice lighting with a simple backdrop, I also found adding the recommended retail price to your listing really helps your buyer understand how much money they are actually saving at the time of purchase. Another little tip, and something I found in the past when selling items online, is to include a short and sweet personal message to your buyer. Buyers are much more likely to shop from your store again if they feel like they had a positive experience the first time round. I have actually found in the past I've had buyers come back 2 or 3 times to purchase items from me purely because the items have arrived as they have described and the experience has been positive. I am definitely going to keep listing items on my eBay account over the next few weeks, so definitely feel free to check out my page. The link will be in the description box below. Anyways, happy listing, and let's go back to this video. Happy Friday, guys. As you can see, we have officially moved in to our place. If you've been following along with this journey, you'll know there's been literally a million and one delays because of the lockdown and just life, I guess. So yes, it is so nice and so exciting to finally be here. So it took about 2 days to move all my clothes and just like the few furniture pieces that we do actually own into this apartment. We don't really have that much, but what we do have is now here. Okay, so as you can see, we have gotten everything here. I now just need to find spots for everything. This is literally gonna take me all night. But anyways, I am going to show you guys around a little bit. As I said, all the stuff that's here is just like the furniture that was at Nick's apartment already, or some of the pieces that I had in my bedroom. So it is looking very sparse at the moment. Here is the living room so far. I am so obsessed with these curtains. They have actually completely transformed the space, and yeah, they just are really beautiful. So I'm obsessed. They're from DIY Blinds, in case you're wondering. So I think our couch is going to be arriving in like a week or so, but In the meantime, this is just the one that I had in my bedroom. Same with the throw rug and the carpet and also that chair and also that lamp actually. I also very spontaneously purchased this mirror from IKEA yesterday because I just really needed to be able to see my outfits full length. But it's kind of a temporary mirror situation. I think I'll end up moving this one into my like office area and we'll get like a much bigger one for this room. So in the bedroom, we just have Nick's old bed and like carpet and whatever else. So we're obviously going to refresh that space when we get around to it, but for now it's fine. And we also got a fridge, which is really exciting. This was Nick's brother's fridge, so he's just sort of letting us use it because it fits perfectly in the space. We really don't have any ingredients right now, so I need to do a big shop this weekend. So the last thing that I wanted to show you guys, why am I blurry? There we go. Last thing I wanted to show you guys was my little like office study room. So at the moment it's just got crap in it, but I am gonna get like an office here so I can work from here as opposed to the living room. And I'm also gonna use this little area to like shoot content and everything else. I'm trying to work out how I should store my shoes. I think maybe if I get a couple of those rack type things, that would help with this situation. So I'm thinking maybe to add like a little sofa table situation here and a office desk set up here and maybe a mirror. I also have all my clothes here now, which I'm not going to go through at the moment because they're still not really that organized, but when I get all this organized, I will show you guys how I've sort of done it. We are going to get some more storage up here as well. I feel like it's just so much wasted space that could potentially be used for storage. I love this building.
Yeah, it's so good. I love that they kept the pure.
I know. Is it a house, do you think?
Yeah, I've seen people coming in and out.
Oh. Yeah, I love that they left the milk bar sign. All the little plants. We should get them on our balcony. Hello guys, happy Thursday. I got my second Pfizer dose yesterday, like in the morning, and it has seriously hit me pretty hard. I had the worst fever last night. I kept going from like really hot, like drenched in sweat hot, to freezing cold. I'm kind of like low energy vibes today. I'm feeling very lethargic. Anyways, my mom just dropped off a box of like PR parcels and stuff that had arrived for me because I haven't like changed my dress or anything yet, obviously, because I only just moved. Everything is a huge mess over there. One thing that I got, which I think you guys are actually going to really like this as well, is some new plates. So this was just like in a PR package. I got 4 different plates. They all say something different and I am obsessed with them. This one says feed me. My favorite one is obviously the green one. It says fresh. I love this one. And I also got a blue one that says eat well.